I sent you the other day. Just think about it. After babe, after the 14th, I sent you something. The next day, the 15th. I said, since I had chicken last night, but I didn't get the other part.
Anybody catch rice today? Nobody catch rice?
Yeah, what?
Catch rice.
You catch rice?
Dad, can you video me? I want to post it.
Did you get it?
Hey, pull up. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You're not done with your soup yet?
Hey, a little bit of Abilene tap water. Abilene waterfall.
Thank you.
Steamed rice or side of rice?
He's had a side of rice.
I hope you're hungry, buddy.
Looks like we have to go. Looks like I have to go, Mom. I have to go. Take this to go. Oh, definitely.
Guys, does anybody over here need more beer? Are we all good?
We haven't got this before the sushi.
Well, you want some rice?
Your buddy got it plenty over there to work.
Alright, there we go, sir.
That scallops are good.
Yeah, well, we
Kind of like an oyster.
I was back in Iraq, right? We had like Kurt there, I think it was, Gabe, Kurt and Gabe on John, and then us. We went to Coach Trash Shack for lunch. $568 later.
That's really good.
What's that? The lobster, the crab, everything else. What up? I was just back in Iraq.
Don't give me too much. I have 9. Like sushi's so good.
Well, I guess I know what I'm going to have for lunch.
For breakfast, for lunch, and possibly dinner.
So look, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
One more. You're good.
All right, you serving shrimp today? Yeah. How about you, ma'am? Where's your food coming? What's your order?
I'm going to put this on YouTube and say birthday at his launch. So far I'm at 10 minutes. I'm at 10 minutes. Oh, you're dropping me a shrimp. I thought you were stealing my scallop.
So you wait till you want to do your service. Rice is good. Rice on nice. That really should have been a waiter's job. Are you okay?
Sneeze. I know, that's what I was waiting on too.
Usually you get that.
They may not do it here.
First look. Shrug. And then drag it in. This one.
There you go. Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Ooh, that's great. I know I need to take a picture and send it to me so I can send it over.
And that's the end.